Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll discuss why dryers squeak and quick solutions to these problems. A squeaking dryer doesn't pose an instant danger, but should raise a red flag. That's because the squeaking sound is a sign that one or more parts of your dryer are faulty and they need to be either replaced or repaired. The squeaking sound can originate from your dryer's back, top, front, or bottom. The following are some of the common reasons why your dryer is squeaking: poorly lubricated drum bearings or roller wheels. If the squeaking sound is coming from the back of your dryer, then the roller wheels or the drum bearing may be why. These two parts keep the pulley system of your dryer functioning correctly. Thus, if any of these need to be oiled, you may hear a squeaking sound during laundry. Worn out drive belt. The drive belt is in charge of tuning the drum, and if it's worn out or loose, it may cause your dryer to squeak from the top. Loose or broken idler pulley. If the squeaking sounds come from your dryer's front, its idler pulley may be broken or loose. The idler pulley helps the belt of the dryer to rotate the drum, thus if it is not repaired or replaced, it might cause the drum of the dryer to stop altogether. Now, let us look at the best quick solutions you can apply to stop your dryer from squeaking. Lubricate the drum bearing or roller wheels of your dryer. This can be done using 2 or 3 drops of silicone-based lubricant on the back and front of the drum bearing or on the roller wheels. Inspect the drive belt for damage. Doing this allows you to ascertain the degree of faultiness. If the drive belt is damaged, you can replace it by following this step-by-step guide. Unplug the dryer. Remove the dryer's top panel screws. Remove the dryer's front panel. Detach the drive belt from the idler pulley by depressing it to release tension. Remove the drive belt. Slide the new drive belt over the drum. Loop the drive belt on the idler pulley in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help it align with the new drive belt. Reinstall the front panel. Plug in the dryer when the reassembly is complete. Inspect the idler pulley. This is done by rotating it, and if the idler pulley doesn't rotate freely or looks worn out, it should be replaced by following this step-by-step guide. Unplug the dryer. Remove the front panel. Press down the old idler pulley to release the belt. Pull out the old idler pulley. Install the new idler pulley in the same position. Loop the belt around the new pulley idler. Rotate the drum to ensure that the belt is aligned. Reinstall the front panel. Plug in the dryer after the reassembling is complete. If all these solutions fail, you should consult an expert. Thanks for watching.